So this one is a 2.4 liter Toyota Camry. So we're going to change our PCV valve in it. For that, so we have to remove the cover. For that one, you have to use a 10 mm spanner. Remove this, okay, and lift up the plastic cover. Plastic cover off. These are the ignition coils, 4-cylinder car. You can see this one is PCV valve. You see that? This one here. Go literally, you have to remove this pipe, the rubber pipe. All right, then remove it. This is a copper clamp here because this is a heat area, so that's why they're using the copper clamp, just like that. Okay. Using a screwdriver or something, just okay, drag it. Now just pull it up like that. Pull back like this. The pipe is out of the way now. So this one, you have to lefty loosey this way. So this is the one we have to use. 22 mm socket, deep socket we have to use it. And a breaker bar. Alright. So 22 mm deep socket, breaker bar and lefty loosey. That's it. So this is the situation of the valve here. So you have to change it, or you just move it like this. You can see that there is a movement, right? So the valve is good, but the tip is completely, with full of, the carbon and all. So this case, there's only it's very cheap part. If you want, you can just change it, or you can clean it because it's moving inside. So I'm gonna using some, carby cleaner or something, and I just go for a clean and put that back home because it's, you can hear that noise. You see that? Yeah. So this is a good one. Still we can use it. You see that? So I'm gonna use some carby cleaner, carburetor cleaner. Spray this one here. Okay. Not too much. Just let it soak. You can see here, all the carbon is coming out. You see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Kind of materials are coming out. You see that? Let me just give it wash with. അതിനകത്ത് കഷ്ണം പോലത്തുള്ള സാധനങ്ങൾ പോയി. മനസ്സിലായോ? You can hear it. So this is a good one. You don't need to change it now. If you want, you can change it, but So the PCV valve go in here. So righty tighty. Okay. Mm-hmm. 22 socket, deep socket, like that, and righty tighty. Oh wow, beautifully done. Have a look. That's it. Okay, the line back on. There you go. All the way, and the copper is back. Yeah, it's here. That's it. That's it. Down. The valve cover back on.